How do I transfer my PayPal credit balance to my linked bank account?
Hello, and welcome to this simple guide on how to transfer your PayPal credit balance to your linked bank account. Transferring funds from PayPal to your bank account can be a handy tool when you need to access your PayPal funds in cash or want to deposit them into your savings.
What do you need before transferring money?
Before you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account, you'll need a few things in place. 1. A PayPal account. Of course, you'll need to have a PayPal account with a balance to transfer. 2. A linked bank account. You'll need to have your bank account already linked to your PayPal account. 3. A PayPal credit balance. This guide specifically deals with transferring PayPal credit. Be sure you have a balance in your PayPal credit account to transfer.
How to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account.
Once you've confirmed that you have the prerequisites, you can move on to the actual transfer process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your PayPal credit balance to your linked bank account. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your smartphone and log into your account. 2. Navigate to your wallet. On your account's main page, navigate to your wallet. 3. Choose the option to withdraw funds. From your wallet page, choose the option to withdraw funds. 4. Select your bank account. You'll be asked where you want to transfer the money to. Choose the bank account you want the funds transferred to. 5. Enter the amount you want to transfer. You can choose to transfer the full amount of your PayPal credit balance or specify a lesser amount. 6. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of the transfer, and if everything looks correct, confirm the transfer.
What happens after the transfer?
Once you've confirmed the transfer, PayPal will begin processing it. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's policies and any potential delays on PayPal's end. Keep in mind that weekends and holidays might delay the transfer. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your PayPal credit balance to your linked bank account. It's an easy process once you know what to do. Remember to always double-check your details before confirming the transfer. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching. Happy transferring!